Madami ko na tayo.
Sir, good evening. Sir. Sir. Ay, hello.
Kami po yung yung with audit. Ano po kami?
Hello everyone! Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And welcome po dito sa Takeover Launch Bar. Ayan. So, kamusta naman po kayo? Okay naman po kayo?
Yes!
Yon! Okay. So, we are Riff Odyssey. And we prepared some songs for all of you tonight. Sana po magustuhan niyo. So, okay. Our first song for tonight is Girl on Fire by Pink. Okay.